Every second, artificial intelligence grows smarter. It writes stories, drives cars, diagnoses diseases, even talks to us like a friend. But how does it actually learn? Is it possible that machines now think, almost like the human brain? Today, we're diving deep into the hidden world of algorithms, neurons, and data to uncover how AI learns the way we do. Welcome to AI Unboxes. Let's decode the brain of the machine. Let's start with us. The human brain is made of around 86 billion neurons, tiny cells that send and receive electrical signals. When you see a dog, hear a melody, or remember your childhood, it's all electrical patterns dancing between these neurons. Over time, your brain learns by strengthening connections between neurons that fire together. If you practice playing piano every day, your brain literally rewires itself, making the pathways for that skill stronger and faster. That's the key: pattern recognition. Your brain learns patterns from experience. And believe it or not, so does artificial intelligence. When scientists built artificial intelligence, they modeled it after this exact idea. They created artificial neural networks, layers of digital neurons that send signals to one another, just like in the human brain. Each neuron takes in data, like numbers, colors, or sounds, and passes it along. At first, the AI knows nothing. It's random, confused. But through training, it begins to notice patterns. Show it thousands of images of cats, and soon it starts saying, "Hey, these pointy ears and round eyes appear often. That must be a cat." It's not memorizing. It's learning relationships in the data. That's the foundation of machine learning. Learning for AI isn't magic, it's math. Every time it makes a mistake, an equation called backpropagation tells it how far off it was. It adjusts the weights between neurons, like tightening the wires inside its digital brain, until it gets the answer right. Think of it like this. A child learns not to touch fire because it hurts. AI learns not to misclassify a cat because the algorithm penalizes the error. This trial and error loop happens millions of times, in seconds. That's how AI gets smarter, faster, and more accurate with every bit of data. Just like humans, AI learns in more than one way. Supervised learning is like a teacher in class, feeding labeled examples. This is a dog. This is a cat. Unsupervised learning is self-study. No labels, just raw data. The AI looks for hidden patterns by itself. And then, there's reinforcement learning, where AI learns through reward and punishment. It's how self-driving cars learn to stay in lanes, and how AlphaGo learned to master board games beyond human capability. Each learning style helps AI evolve, just as different experiences shape how we grow. Deep learning is the next level. It's what powers ChatGPT, image generators, and speech recognition. These deep networks have dozens of layers, each one analyzing deeper details, from edges and shapes to meaning and context. It's as if the machine develops intuition. It doesn't just see pixels. It understands the concept of a face or a sentence's emotion. It's the closest we've come to machines that think, not by magic, but by mimicking biology with code. Today, AI helps us solve problems once thought impossible, predicting diseases, designing cities, even composing music. But as machines learn faster than we can imagine, one question remains. Will AI ever truly understand, or just calculate? The answer might depend on us. Because in the end, AI is not just built to think like humans. It's built by humans. And the smarter we make it, the more it reflects who we are. Music fades out. This is AI Unboxing, where we explore the brain of tomorrow today.